In this video, we're going to walk through the necessary steps to take to schedule an alert. Once you're logged into your instance of Indition Alerts and you see your dashboard appear, you're going to want to navigate to the blue tabbed options on the right-hand side of your screen and go ahead and select Schedule Alerts. When you reach the next screen, go ahead and first select between Create a Quick Alert and Create Alert. For this example, I'm going to go ahead and select Create Alert. Fun fact though, you can actually create a quick alert directly from the dashboard. The main difference between the Create Quick Alert and Create Alert options is that the Quick Alert is actually meant to be something that you send out now, literally for when you need to send out a quick alert. The Create Alert option does allow you to send the alert out now. However, it also incorporates the option to schedule this new alert you're creating for future date and time. So after landing on the Create Alert screen, you'll want to go ahead and fill out all of the required fields, starting with naming your alert as well as selecting a category. Since this isn't a real alert, I'm going to label mine Demo for Video. And then I'm going to use the demo category as well. I'm also going to toggle the Send Now or Later to Later, and I'm going to select Future Date and Time. The alert communication is the next set of required configurations. You're going to need to select between sending to all contacts in your database versus specific contact lists. Additionally, you are required to select the communication method. For this example, I'm going to choose the SMS or text message method. Next, you will need to configure a message. You can create a new message, which is what I'm going to do in this example, but you do, however, have the option of choosing from a list of your already created messages. When you have everything ready to go ahead and click on that green Create Alert button, and you are all set. So that's it. You've just learned how to create an alert from start to finish. Thanks again for watching this video. Please give a thumbs up if you found it useful, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to be notified when a new video drops. Thanks, and we'll see you next time.